What's up, guys? Sheila and I have a special surprise for you tonight. Today in the mail came something very special. Yeah. I know what you've been thinking. You've been asking, when are you getting it? When is it coming? Guess what? Today it's here. Da-da-da. Silver play button. That's right. Look, Sheila's so excited. She's so excited. Sheila, watch it. Okay. Let's unbox this joker. Come on, friends. Take a ride. I know what you're thinking. How did you do this? Well, I owe special thanks to a special someone out there on TikTok. Thanks a lot. Thank you to all the 105,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I love you guys. Yeah. That's not it. Here we go. Our special friends over at YouTube. I'll read it to you. Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100th? Your 1000th? Chances are you do. And we know you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learning about you through a friend, or maybe showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of a growing community you've established. We are thrilled to see development of our community and proud to honor you with this impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with a Silver Creator Award. We know you may have many more stories to share, and we know your fans can't wait to engage them even more with your commitment and creativity. Keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we're here to support you all on the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write and ask you, do you remember the day you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Susan Woj, CEO of YouTube. You know what's behind here? Da-na-na. Da-da-da-na-na. This is pretty cool. This is for you, friends. This is for all you people out there who helped me accomplish so much. I love you. Thank you. Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, I just wanted to answer a question that I had from a close friend of mine on Instagram. And this comes to us from Mallory Atkins. She asked, what's it like to be famous now? And I had to think long and hard about that since I've got my silver play button today. And the only way that I could possibly describe it in a way that you could understand is just imagine yourself going unicorn hunting, and you harvest the animal, take its horn, you grind it up into a powder, you put it in a Keurig, you let it seep for an extra long time in a tea. Smell it, bring it in, and then you drink that unicorn tea. And after you drink that unicorn tea, it feels like you're a unicorn and you're galloping up a rainbow, like a perpetual rainbow for the rest of your life. Since I got the silver play button, that's what I feel like. I feel like a unicorn galloping on a rainbow. Sorry, unicorn, but thank you for your sacrifice. Hey guys, what's up? I wanted to leave you with one last bit of advice. I know what you're thinking out there. How can I become famous like you, Mr. McDonald? Well, two things you need to remember. One, always stay humble. Yeah, stay humble. Two, become a school teacher. When you think about somebody famous in your life, do you think about the president or Bear Grylls or Dr. Dre, Snoop Dogg, George Strait? No. You think about a school teacher, someone who made a difference. See, if I lose all this fame, I'll still be famous. I'll be famous in the hearts of my students. Good night, good luck, and like and subscribe.